Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning. It's 42 degrees out here in New Braunfels. Feels like 39, but just as a comparison, at home I just looked, it's I think 26, feels like 17, and they're getting snow. So yeah, it's a little chilly here, but we're getting up to 70 today. So I thought what we'd do today, a lot of you have said like, okay, now that you're semi-retired, you don't work in the winter months per se at the campground, what do you do? So I thought what we'd do today is we'd film a day in the life of a semi-retired couple in Texas for the winter. And so I'm gonna bring you along. We actually stay fairly busy. So yeah, I'm gonna finish walking these guys, go back in, enjoy some coffee, and then we'll get this day started. Well, it's a little after 8. We had our coffee and juice, some toast, some yogurt. What are you doing, Patty?
I'm doing the walk at home on YouTube that Amy and I did at the campground. I've done it before, and yeah, I like to do this in the morning, about 30 minutes for me.
So just a nice workout. You do it on your own,
Yep.
using YouTube.
Yep.
And I even bought her a little TV before we left,
So that's a side step.
so she can have it right here in the outside, getting her workout in. I'm gonna head on inside. How was your workout?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
So not too bad working out when it's like in the 40s?
No, because I get warmed up and I don't even need a jacket. So
Yeah, and the sun's actually out, so it's probably warming up
the
pretty
sun
quickly.
beating on you,
Yeah.
warms you up. So yeah.
So got
Good.
your workout in.
Yeah, make it 30 minutes. Good.
All right, I'm just finishing up some grading, and then I'm gonna head up to the clubhouse at 9. They're having a little RV chat I thought I'd go to.
Oh, really?
Yeah, coffee and RV chat.
There you go. Okay.
What are you doing?
Probably take photos.
All right, you're gonna work on eBay?
Yeah.
Good morning. Good, how are you?
They had not resealed the slide, and water had already begun to protrude into the slide. So they fixed what was broken, but they didn't fix what they broke when they took it apart.
Well, that was fun and informative. So, Mike from Cozy Camper did a little talk about how to prevent waterline freezes here for the few nights that we might get below freezing this winter. And then just some general discussion about brands. So, you know, that's one of the things I like about here is they have programs like that, absolutely free included. And so, yeah. Now I'm gonna go back. It's a little after 10. I'm guessing Patty's already working, and so I probably should get back there and help her. So I think today is primarily a listing day for her on eBay. The last couple days we've been out thrifting, found some good items. For those of you who don't know, Patty runs an eBay store, Patty Ann Fashion and More. I'll put the link to that store if anybody's interested down below. But what we have to do, and for those of you wondering, like, how can you at 57 semi-retire? And I do use the word semi-retire. I technically retired from the college, and one of the big perks of retiring from the college for me was I get to keep insurance for us till we're Medicare eligible, just like I'm an employee. So that's a huge savings that allows us to do this. But we still need money. Obviously, the campground pays me, and that's a good chunk of what we need to survive. And then we just piece it together. So we have the eBay store that brings in some money. Our YouTube channel brings in a little bit of money. And so anything we can do, I'm still teaching part-time. So it's not like we're completely retired. And even during these winter months, we don't get to just sit around and do nothing all day. So not that I would want to. I mean, honestly, I would be bored. How's it going? Slow. So tell everybody what you're doing right now. Like, where are we at in the process?
Well, one, we did the sourcing.
Right, we did that the last couple days.
Yeah, like this came from Goodwill.
And we had already found the draft. We made a draft in eBay.
Right, we learned that once we find it, sometimes right away we make a draft in eBay because you can do one that's like
sell similar.
One,
Yep.
sell similar. Anyway, so you already went in and did all that.
Right.
And then anything that needed washed or ironed, I did that yesterday. Then today I started with this really nice coat. I took pictures of it, and what I've been using is the barn doors that we have back there in the bedroom.
Right, that's your backdrop.
That's my backdrop, because you want something plain. And
yeah.
And then, so I take pictures, and I come out here and I do measurement pictures, and all the pictures I can get, and then I do it on my phone.
Right.
And then I close it out, and then I refresh my screen here, because I'm in eBay on my laptop, and then it brings up all the photos, and then I clean them up in here. Then I go through and like this, I put it in the poly, I guess. Clear coat.
Yeah, I don't know what those are called.
Thingy.
Yeah. Cellophane.
Cellophane.
Ding, 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 ding. We're bound to get it.
And then I always have my cute little stickers. Thank you for the order. I put that on there. This is a new thing I started after doing inventory in the fall. Because some of the stuff, it's like, what is that? I mean, I knew this because I put SKUs.
Right.
Like I label my bins. So this one's TX2 because we're in Texas. And anyway, so that way I know what it is. So that's what I'm doing now.
So,
and I'm just doing my weights and my measurements and getting that put in here.
So tell everybody what that actually is and who found it.
What it is?
Yeah.
It's a Neiman Marcus lamb leather, like they call it a
quilted
jacket,
trench coat type
thing.
Yeah.
And we found it at the Goodwill in
Seguin.
You.
Yeah.
Was it Seguin?
Yes. We were over in Seguin at the Goodwill.
You found it. And
yeah.
You come up to me and you go, you're whispering to him. I'm like, what'd you find? He goes, he shows me this. And I'm like,
it was marked $8.99. But
the gal asked you if you were a senior.
That's right. I qualify for the senior discount at Goodwill's in Texas.
She's like, are you over 40?
So it made it $7-something.
Yes, $7. And I can say exactly.
And it sells for.
It is something.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Anyway.
But it sells for. These sell on
$7.65.
eBay for around $90.
Yes.
So.
And it's in really good shape.
It's in mint condition.
There's a few little markings, what happens on leather, like on your wrists,
right?
From just wear, but it's not bad at all.
So even if we sell this for $70, by the time you pay eBay fees and everything, we're going to net over $50 profit.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
All right, the whole trailer shakes just a little bit, and the reason it is shaking is he's got a little wash going. It's in spin out mode. Part of our daily routine, it seems like. Washers work great, right?
Oh, they're awesome.
Or I say washers, but washer,
and
dryer.
Dryers were great.
Yeah. But we have to do smaller loads because they are smaller than our old home one.
Absolutely.
So we do laundry on a regular basis.
Yeah, I try to do it kind of with our clothing every 3 days. I think you can do. But like today, I thought, okay, we're coming up on the weekend. I like to do the bedding like every Friday or so. And I don't like doing the bedding because the bedding takes a while. And other stuff, so I thought I'd just catch it up today and be good.
I'm not sure who's more excited about being away from frigid Indiana temperatures in the winter. Patty and I, or Truman and Bess. They love going for walks here, and the park is big enough that we can just walk them around a loop or something, which is plenty, because honestly, Cavaliers, they don't require a lot of activity and they get tired pretty easily. So as you can see, Truman just wants to smell. Lots of good smells in the park, right, Truman? And it's 11:45. I think it's time for a little lunch break. So I'm just making some soup, a little cheese and crackers. No rest for the weary. You had your lunch and now you're back to it, huh?
Who's that?
You.
I had to finish this one.
I know. I'm just saying,
Because it drives me crazy if I don't complete an item.
Yeah, all right.
So I had to finish up my measurements and my weights, and now I'm going to take a break.
All right. Maybe we could run somewhere and do something.
It's a beautiful day.
I know. It is so gorgeous outside. It's silly to be setting inside. All right.
We're at CIS Thrift Store near where we are in New Braunfels. And this store is awesome. We've been here a couple weeks ago. And every now and then we go back to see if there's anything good because the sign says donations are full. So hopefully there's some new merch that we can pick. Isn't that pretty? Just like embroidered on there. It says handmade with heart and soul.
do not. How about you?
Not yet. I haven't seen anything that's caught my eye.
Well, that was a bust.
Yeah, not really any sales, not anything that really caught my eye.
It's kind of the thing about thrifting. There's no guarantees when you go out, so that's why you just constantly are going.
Yep. It's like you're hunting for a treasure, so.
Yep. Well, we struck out at thrifting, but we probably won't strike out here.
At the HEB.
Yeah, if you've never been to Texas, HEB is like the grocery store. And I feel like we live here, but this place is amazing.
And what HEB stands for a person's name.
Yeah, so let's go and see what we can find, but more
I'm
like
sure
what
we'll
we
find
need.
stuff.
I know, that's the problem. Seriously, we have been to HEB. I bet we come 2 to 3 times a week. We should not be this excited about a grocery store, but apparently we are. I know most people don't like fruitcake. I love fruitcake, but a lot of them just aren't that good. These HEB ones, delicious. Never seen that at home.
I know. That's unique, isn't it?
Yeah. And $164 later, we didn't even really need groceries. I mean, we just had a few things, but...
Some of this stuff's for freezer.
Yeah. That's a problem, though, when you come to a place like this, like things we don't get at home, and so...
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What did you do last time?
What did I do last time? Georgia peach, I think. Oh, no, did I do regular sweet? I never thought I'd see the day you'd be drinking iced tea.
It's green. I like green tea.
Yeah.
And I'm trying the raspberry flavoring.
Living on the wild side, aren't you?
Almost there. Not quite.
I am such a cheap date.
You are. I did not realize it was happy hour.
Yeah, buy one, get one free. So whoever left the comment, and I don't know who left the comment,
No, I don't either.
nor where they left it, but somebody said you got to try HTO if you find one.
We love this
And
place.
there's one right here off of 306 in New Braunfels. So we came here the other day, and yeah, they just have all these
different teas
that you-
sweet and unsweet.
And then it's also like a coffee house. You can get coffee beverages and hot cocos,
Yeah.
but the tea is like really good if you like iced tea or
So
sweet
what'd
tea.
you end up getting?
I ended up mixing some Georgia peach sweet with some unsweet Georgia peach to kind of mellow it out. So
Yeah, I did, first of all, some green tea base. And then I did unsweet wild raspberry. And then I did sweet raspberry to mix it all together.
it's like a kamikaze.
You can just do all kinds of fun stuff in
And
there.
then sometime we're going to have to try right over there. And these are all over On the Grind coffee house, like little drive-through coffee. We see them everywhere. There's one out going to our place. So
if anybody knows anything about
On the Grind, yeah, tell us
we'd love
about
some
those.
info on that.
all right, let's head back because we need to still record a podcast today. So I think that's going to be next up.
All right.
This might be the worst part of where we're staying for the winter is this exit off of I-35. Like, it's under construction. And based upon talking to people at the RV park, it's been under construction for a while. So it really backs up here. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of ways to get to our place because you got to cross the river. So, well, hi guys, we're back. Did you have a nice little nap? Huh? Where's Truman? You back there sleeping, buddy? Bessie's stretching. Hey, buddy. All right. 5 o'clock and you're still working. I thought you retired.
No.
Never stops, does it?
No.
So how many of you listed this afternoon? After we got back?
Let's see. After we got back?
Yeah, I mean...
Let's see here.
Yeah, probably.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 since we got back from going out. I have 7 in there.
All right.
And then a total of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Total today? Yeah.
Yeah.
And we still haven't recorded a podcast.
No.
No.
We need to do that. I know.
So while she's been working, I went ahead and got dinner going. This is that Traeger smoker that we bought. I got these. Look at this. I got 6 thigh legs at HEB. It was like under $6 today. And I just got them on here slow smoking. Probably going to go ahead and crank it up a little bit. But yeah, that's going to be dinner tonight. Oh yeah, and the sun is starting to go down. Amazing sunsets here. That's what I love about Canopy. And I say I love it because there's so many things we love about this park. And I'm going to do a whole video on the park at some point. But we get the sunrises out this way. So my bedroom window faces that way. So in the mornings I put up the shade just like I did this morning and get amazing views. We're actually starting to get something in here. I heard there's like an RV rally. And this was all open this morning, and now I see like 4 big rigs down through here, and I think there's a lot more coming for the weekend. So, but yeah, gonna be a gorgeous sunset again. All right, we just finished up dinner. How was your chicken that I smoked?
Nummy.
Yeah.
As Bessie would say.
And with some Goya rice, and that was our dinner. So we're not going to get the podcast done tonight, which means it'll get pushed off till tomorrow, because you ended up working most of the afternoon on listings.
Right.
And so that happens sometimes. But you can see, hopefully, that our days stay fairly busy so far. Tomorrow will be another busy day because you have a hair appointment.
Right.
Saturday a busy day because Truman and Bess get groomed.
Yep.
And then, come Monday, family starts arriving for the holidays. So,
Yep, for the fa-la-la-la festivities.
that's right. So we're going to end this video with a little cocktail nightcap as we close out this day. And thank you, everyone, for joining us. And cheers. Till next time, we'll see you.
On down the road.
Bye.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.